On last turn we have studied division of fractions. Today we will do some questions based on it. If the cost of 2/5 liters of milk is rupees 101 1/4, then we have to find its cost price per liter. Here we have given the cost price of 2/5 liters of milk, and we have to find the cost of 1 liter of milk. So whenever we are given the quantity of cost of more and we have to find for less, we will always divide. So here we can write cost of 2/5 liters of milk is rupees 101 1/4, or we can write cost of 27/5. We have converted this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Liters of milk is rupees. Now we can convert this improper mixed fraction also into the improper fraction, that will be equals to 405/4. So the cost of 1 liter of milk will be rupees 405/4 divided by 27/5. Now when we convert the division sign into multiplication sign, we will do the reciprocal of the number which is written on the right side of the division sign. So it will be 5/27. On simplification we will get it equals to rupees, that will be equals to rupees 75/4, and if we convert this into mixed fraction, it will be equals to rupees 18/3/4. So the cost of 1 liter of milk will be rupees 18/3/4. One more question. A tin contains 18 kg of ghee. After consuming 2/3 of it, how much ghee is left in the tin? Now here we have given the quantity of ghee present in the tin, and we have consumed 2/3 part of it, and we have to find how much ghee is left in the tin. So we can do this question in two ways. First method is, we know that 2/3 of the part of the ghee has been consumed. So we will find out the quantity of the ghee which has been consumed. So the quantity of ghee consumed will be equals to 2/3 of 18 kg. That will be equals to 2/3 into 18. Of means multiplication. So it will be equals to 12 kg. Now this part has been consumed. So the left part of ghee will be equals to 18 minus 12, that is equals to 6 kg. The second way of doing this question is, we know that 2/3 part of the ghee has been consumed. So the left part will be 1 minus 2/3. That is, we have subtracted 2/3 part from the whole part, that is from 1, which will be equals to 1/3. Now this is the left part, so we can write the left part of ghee will be 1/3 of 18 kg, which will be again equals to 6 kg. Next we come to decimals. Decimals are the extensions of our number system. These are fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, if a number is written as 3/10, we can write it as 0.3. So this is the decimal representation of 3/10, which is a fraction. Here 3, the number which is written after the decimal, is known as the decimal number of decimal places. Here we have only one number after the decimal, therefore we have only one decimal place. If the number would be 3.248, here you can see that we have three numbers written after decimal. So we have three decimal numbers, or we can say three decimal place. Next is like and unlike decimals. If two decimal numbers have same number of decimal places, for example, if I am having a number 0.563 and another number 3.289, here you can see I am having three digits or three different numbers after decimal. Here also I am having three numbers after decimal. So these two numbers are like decimals. But if I am having a number 6.732 and another number 5.8693, here we have four decimal places and here we have three decimal places. So these two numbers are unlike decimals, as they are having different number of decimal place. We can convert a unlike decimal to a like decimal. For example, if I am having a number 35.698, that is 35.698, and another number 2.05. Now I have to convert these two into like decimals. So I can just put 1 0 after 5. So it will also have three decimal places, and here also we are having three decimal places. So these two numbers are like decimal. We can take one more example. If I am having a number 0.5 and another number 5.25. Now to convert these two numbers into like decimals, I can just put a 0 after 5. So both of these numbers will have the same number of decimal places. Next is comparison of decimals. For comparing the decimals, first of all, we will compare the whole number part of the decimal. For example, we are having two decimal numbers 36.29 and another number 37.29. Here you can see that the whole number part is 36 and in this number the whole number part is 37. Just by seeing the whole number part, we can say that 37.29 is greater than 36.29. Let us see another example. 209.638 and another number is 625.28. Here also you can see that 625, that is the whole number part of the second number, is greater than the whole number part of the first number. So we can simply say that 625.28 is greater than 209.638. But if the whole number parts are same, for example, if we have a number 39.28 and another number 39.50, here you can see the whole number part is 39 and in the second number it is also 39. So first of all, we will compare the leftmost digit present in the decimal, that is 2 here, and here it is 5. So 5 is greater than 2, so 39.50 is greater than 39.28. Let us see one more example. We have to compare 65.2389 and 65.2389. 8, 7. Now if we start comparing, first of all we will see the whole number part which are same. So we have to compare the decimal part. Here the first number is 2. Here the first number is also 2. Next digit is 3 here, and next digit here is 3. Again we have the same numbers. Now we come to the third number. Here it is 8 and here it is also 8. Now we will come to the last digit, that is 9 here, and here it is 7. And since 7 is less than 9, so we can say that 65.2387 is less than 65.2389. Next is conversion of decimals into fraction. If we are given a number 6.29 and we have to convert this decimal number into fraction, it is very simple. First of all, we will write the number 629, and we are having two digits, or we can say two decimal places. So we will put 2 zeros after 1 in the denominator. This is the fractional representation of decimal 6.29. Another example, we have to convert 0.25 into the fraction, then it will be equals to 25, that is the number, whole upon, we have only two decimal places, so we'll put 2 zeros in the denominator. Now here you can see that 25 and 100 are having 5 common, so we can cancel it. So we can cancel it by 5 times, and 100 20 times. Again we can see there is common 5, so we will cancel 5 by 5 1 times and 20 by 5 4 times. So it will be equals to 1 by 4. So this is the fractional representation of 0.25. Now if I have to represent 0.009, so I will write 9, that is the number, and how many decimal places I am having? 1, 2 and 3. So I will put 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. This is the decimal representation of 0.009. Now let us see the converse of this. If I have to convert a fraction into decimal, that is conversion of fraction into decimal. It is very simple. If we are having the fractions as the decimal fractions, that is we are having, if I am having a number 2 by 10, so it is very simple to convert this number into decimal. Here when we are not having any decimal point in the number, that means the decimal is present at the last, and we are having 1 0 here, so we will shift the decimal which is present after 2 1 place on the left, that is here we can put the decimal, so it will be equals to 0.2. Let us see one more example. If I am having a number 635 upon 100, so I can write it as 635. Now where is the decimal? It is present here. Now since in the denominator I am having 100, that is 2 zeros, so the decimal will shift 2 places in the left and it will be equals to 6.35. One more example, if I have to convert 29.5 upon 1000, so it will be equals to, here I can say the decimal and I have to shift it 3 places to the left. So it will be equals to, first let me write the number 295. The decimal is here, so it will shift 1, 2. Now I don't have any number here, so I will simply put a 0 and shift the decimal to this place. So it will be equals to 0.0295. Now if I have to convert, next example is I have to convert 9 1 by 4 into decimal. So I can write it as 9 plus 1 by 4, or I can simply write it as 9 plus 1 into 25 into 1 4 into 25. By multiplying 4 by 25, it will be converted into 100. So it will be equals to 9. So it will be equals to 9 plus 1 upon 25 upon 100. So it will be equals to 9.25.